Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the delete curve command. So let's start. The command is in edit. Then you have to go to more and here you will find the command of delete curve. It is similar to like I select the line and press delete on the keyboard. So the functioning of the delete curve is similar. Just go to more, then go to delete curve and here I am going to delete this line and apply. This has deleted that particular curve. So this is the basic functioning of the delete curve. I'm going to untick this option because this is a special option in the delete curve. I'll let you know how the heal is going to be get used while modeling. I'm going to untick this currently. So this is how you can perform the delete like this. Now let's come to the healing part. What do you mean by heal? Heal basically going to connect the adjacent edges on deleting the edges. Suppose these are the two edges which I am going to delete, and the adjacent edges are this one and this one. They will make a corner like this. If I just select this one and then this one. Now you can click on show result to show the result. This is how the healing works. Like you can see the neighboring edges have been extended to form a corner while deleting those curves which I have selected. So this is how it works. Just click on apply. Now let's check some more examples regarding the healing. So in this case, I'm going to delete this one and this one. Now they will form a corner. So this is how heal works. And this was the example without activating the heal option. I hope this command is clear to you. That is all in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the delete curve command. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.